Before returning to our family, let's visit again with Mrs. Glenn Campbell and her family.
I always seem to find myself spending more time with Cain than with the other two children. But he's the youngest, so naturally, he requires more of my time. I guess that's another reason I'm such a Pampers booster. Believe me, there's nothing glamorous about wet diapers, even here in Hollywood. Pampers are so much more convenient to use. They're disposable, you know. And when I think of all the time I spent fooling around with diapers for my first two, let's face it, who likes doing dirty diapers? All that soaking, washing, and rinsing, no matter how careful you are, you can never really be sure just how clean your cloth diapers are. But with Pampers, I know he's getting a fresh, clean change every time. And I have more time to spend on the fun things, like train rides, stagecoaches, and the youngest Bronco buster in the Hollywood Hills.